Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S86 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold the power key, and when you see your boot options, you want to hold the shutdown option. This will then bring up a window reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So let's tap on OK, and this will obviously initiate that reboot. And while it's rebooting, I'm gonna quickly go into what this mode is for. So you boot your device into safe mode if you are experiencing some problems with your phone. It's, for instance, malfunctioning just on a software base, and you might be, you might have just downloaded some kind of malicious app that is preventing you from using your device as intended. So by booting it into safe mode, this application will not be able to run in here. And as you can see, there's also a couple additional apps and processes that come with the device that can't run here, like widgets. And let's see if we have any apps that wouldn't run here. Nope, it looks like everything else will run just fine. Now by default, apps that cannot run are just kind of grayish in most of the phones, and other phones they are just completely removed from home screen, but I don't see either of the cases here, so I assume all the apps will work here, at least the one that come with the device. Anyway, that is how you boot into safe mode, and to leave it, all you would need to do is hold your power key, select restart, and once the device boots back up, it will go back to normal mode. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.